everyone! Welcome back to the Project Awesome. So I'm back with my first ever video and first ever makeup tutorial for this year. So this video is actually a collaboration with Sir William Guzman ng Buhay Ko and CC Joy Sola. So we decided to do this makeup look na ang theme ay coral kasi ang Pantone color for this year or color of the year ngayong 2019 ay Living Coral. So we decided to do makeup looks using those colors and this is the makeup look that I came up with and tapos na yung kay Sir William ng Buhay Ko. Tapos na rin yung kay CC Joyce. Lalagay ko yung links ng video tutorials nila sa information box sa baba. Naisipan kong ganito yung gawin kong makeup look kasi yung kay CC Joyce, simple glam makeup yung nagawa niya. So it's more wearable. Tapos yung kay Sir William ng Buhay Ko, parang extreme glam naman yung sa kanya. So, I decided to, do a makeup in between those. Glam makeup, pero in between dun sa ginawa ni CC Joyce na simple glam and sa ginawa ni Sir William ng Buhay Ko na extreme glam. So, this is the look that I came up with. Gumawa ako ng simple cut crease using shades of coral. And I really hope that you'll like this look. And if you want to know how I did this makeup look, then please keep on watching. Okay guys, so since mag-focus lang tayo sa eye makeup, ayan, nilagay ko na yung foundation ko and nagkilay na rin ako. Kung interesado kayong malaman kung ano yung ginamit kong foundation, well, I combined this, the SAM or the SEM, whatever, the SEM concealer and yung Super Face na Lights Camera Action na zoom in mesh cushion kasi medyo maitim sa akin to. So, ginamitan ko ng concealer na mas maputi sa akin. Nilagay ko lang yung concealer sa mga areas na kailangan kong i-conceal. And then, minix ko to dun sa sponge yung biniblend ko na para ma-neutralize siya and mag-match sa skin tone ko. And ayan yung kinalabasan and full coverage din siya. I love this combination so much. And then, sinet ko lang sila nitong 727 Quante Face Up Powder. Ito yung isa sa mga bago kong paboritong setting powder ngayon. Ang ganda niya. Sobrang tino. And ayan, meron pa siya sa ilalim ng mata ko kasi binibake ko pati sa nose ko. Anyway, kung nakikita nyo parang nagbabalat yung nose ko, well, yes, nagbabalat siya talaga kasi yun, kinot-kot ko yung ilong ko. Sa pangkilay naman, ito yung ginamit ko, yung Detail Makeover na Make Brow Gel, Eyebrow and Eyeliner Gel. Eyeliner din pala siya. Ngayon ko lang nalaman. Kala ko pangkilay lang siya. Ayun. Tapos, nilagyan ko lang ng konting violet na eyeshadow para medyo mag-match siya sa, sa hair ko. And that's it. Now, let's focus on the eyes. Actually, tapos na tong eye makeup na to. Ang kulang na lang false eyelashes, pero okay na yan. So, now I'm just going to show you how to do this on the other eye. So, using this Jessup Small Tapered Blending Brush, I'm applying that peachy orange shade dun sa crease area. Dun sa buong crease from outer to inner corner. Ito yung parang pinaka-transition color natin. After that, I'm going to use this ColourPop Femme Rosa eyeshadow palette. And I'm going to take this peachy shade right here. And using that Bamboo Jessup Luxe Crease Brush, I'm going to apply that on top of the transition color. So next, I'm going to apply this darker shade of peach orange. And I'm going to apply that on the crease as well, pero mas mababa na ng konti. Next, gagamit tayo ng mas maliit na brush. And I'm going to take this reddish peach shade. Pasok pa rin siya sa coral shade. So, gagamitin natin to para magkaroon ng mas malalim na kulay. So, this color will complete our gradient effect sa ating eye makeup. So, this is so simple, guys. Madali lang i-achieve to kasi nililayer lang natin yung color para ma-achieve natin yung gradient effect para sa coral makeup natin today. So, I'm just blending the edges. And now, I'm taking one of my most favorite base eyeshadows. And this is the JCat Prismetal Chrome Galaxy. Ayan siya. Mousse eyeshadow siya. I'm sure kung napapanood yung mga previous makeup tutorials ko, ilang beses nyo nang nakitang ginamit ko to kasi maganda siya talaga. So, to apply that, I'm using this detail shader from the same Jessup Bamboo collection. And ititrace ko muna yung line. Next, I'm going to use a smaller brush. So, I'm just going to use this eyeliner brush. This is from Beauty Cosmetics. Tagal na sa akin to. So, kaya ako gagamit nito para mas maging precise yung line ng cut crease natin. Para talagang ma-feel natin yung Living Coral dito sa eye makeup natin, we're going to set that eyeshadow base using this Fashion 21 Roll and Dazzle Pink Diamond. It's basically a pink eyeshadow, pero since meron siyang gold flexes, parang nagiging corally yung dating niya pagka nasa mata na siya. I really love this. Matagal na to. High school pa yata ako meron ng ganito. And then, naging favorite ko din to na pang highlighter nung college ako kasi maganda siya talaga. Naglagay lang ako dito kasi medyo messy yan. Hindi nyo siya pwedeng gamitin direkta kasi kakalat siya. So, mas maganda maglagay kayo sa mga ganitong lalagyan. So, takip lang to ng pinaglagyan nung sponge ko from Miss Bella. And I'm going to take the same detail shader brush to apply that on top of the eyeshadow base. Sana nakikita niyo yung effect niya. I really love it. So, para mas magkaroon ng dimension, dadagdagan ko nung red-orange eyeshadow dito sa outer corner para din ma-blend siya. Next, I'm going to take that same red-orange shade and using this Luxe pencil brush, I'm going to apply that on my lower lash lines. And then, sa ibabaw niyan, ilalagay ko yung same peach eyeshadow from the same ColourPop Femme Rosa eyeshadow palette. Next, I'm going to highlight my inner corner. So, gagamitin ulit natin to as a base. So, ilalagay natin yan sa ating inner corners. And then, lalagyan din natin yung inner thirds ng lower lash line. Tapos, isaset natin yan using this Too Faced Natural Face Palette. And gagamitin ko tong highlighter na to sa baba. So, this in the shade Satin Sheets. Ito yung favorite kong highlighter ngayon. Para siyang nagtututone na gold and pink din, pero mas prominent naman yung gold dito. Really love this palette. Itong Too Faced na to, I really love it. So usually, naglalagay ako ng eyeliner sa upper lash line. Usually, liquid liner yung ginagamit ko. Pero kasi pag naglalagay ng ganun, medyo nawawala yung focus dun sa eye makeup, lalo na pag ganyang style. So, parang natatabunan niya. So, in this makeup look, hindi ko lilinyahan yung upper lash line, pero magta-tight line ako para magkaroon pa rin ng intensity yung eye makeup. So, ang gagamitin ko, itong favorite kong Sigma Gel Liner in the shade Stunningly Ladylike. Dark brown to. Hindi ako gagamit ng black ngayon para hindi siya masyadong, you know, dramatic. So, ang ipang-apply ko, itong Avon na to, this is actually a brow definer. Pero sobrang sheer ng color niya. So, don't worry kasi hindi din siya kukulay sa mata pagka nilagay nyo. Usually, ganito lang ginagawa ko. Dinidip ko yung liner dun sa gel eyeliner. Ayan, diba? Hindi masyadong dramatic, pero na-intensify yung eye makeup natin. Diba? Bongga. So, now we're just going to curl the lashes. Apply mascara. Ito yung gagamitin kong mascara from Maybelline. And then, maglalagay na rin ako ng false eyelashes. Okay, so tapos na yung eye makeup natin. Ayan na yung final result ng eye makeup natin. Nakapaglagay na rin ako ng false eyelashes. And today, ang ginamit ko itong Nippon Faux Strip Lashes in Sidecar. Ayan, Sidecar. Yun yung kanyang code name. Hindi ako gumamit ng masyadong bonggang dramatic lashes kasi gusto kong makita pa rin yung eye makeup natin. So, kapag medyo makapal yung ginamit ko, baka matakpan niya since I have hooded lids. So, itong klase ng false eyelashes yung ginamit ko and it's perfect. I really love this. So, ngayon, magbo-bronzer and magko-contour na tayo. So, gagamitin ko muna yung Hoola bronzer ko dito sa Chikatan palette ko ng Benefit. Next, I'm going to contour my nose using the same Hoola bronzer. For the blush, I'm going to use this Pink Sugar Sweet Cheeks HD color. And this is in the shade Summer Nights. Ito yung itsura niya. Ayan, Summer Nights. So, yung shade nito, very sheer, pero it will add some, you know, life on your face. And then for the highlighter, balik tayo dito sa Too Faced Natural Face Palette. And kung anong ginamit natin sa inner corners, yun din yung gagamitin natin pang-highlight ng face. So I'm just going to use this Keep Cool and Shine Mist. Fixins Mist. Actually, this is a makeup setting spray. So you can get this from my Cara shop if you're interested. Tatlong klase yan. So babasain ko lang siya. Ang bango nito. Sobrang bango niya talaga. Alam mo yun? May kamoy siyang pabango eh. Alam ko na. Para siyang mild scent ng ano, yung Lanvin. Oh! Wow! Nakikita niyo ba yan? Wow! Oh my gosh! A little bit on the nose bridge. Okay, so we're almost done. And for the lips, gagamit tayo ng dalawang shades. So I'm going to use my Skin Potions Dream Velvet Lip Tints. And I'm going to use the shades Holy. Yun yung una kong ilalagay. And on top of that, I'm going to mix the shade Zoe. Ayan. Ganda. Actually, kung gusto nyo, pwedeng yan na mismo yung actual color nyo. Pero ako, lalagyan ko pa siya nitong shade na Zoe sa ibabaw. Ayan. And we're done! Final makeup look! Ayan na, guys! So, mini-style ko lang yung hair ko. Ito yung favorite kong hairstyle pagka yung gusto ko medyo messy-messy yung dating. Parang beach wave siya. How do you like it? Matagal ko nang gustong i-achieve yung ganitong look. Yung walang masyadong dark shades ng eyeshadow. Kasi usually, nag-e-end up ako na naglalagay ako ng dark brown or ng black dyan. Kasi feeling ko parang walang dimension. Kasi nga, hooded lids ako. Pero, okay naman siya ngayon. I really hope that you enjoyed watching this video at sana may natutunan kayo kahit papano sa makeup look na to. Sana rin nagustuhan nyo. And please don't forget to watch the videos of my Ate Candy and Sir William ng buhay ko. Yung kanilang mga living coral makeup tutorials as well. Lalagay ko yung links nila sa baba. Naunahan na nila kasi ako. Na late ako. Alam nyo naman lagi akong late. So, thank you so much Sir William ng buhay ko and si Ate Joy Sola. Si Ate Joy Sola, doble-doble na. Yung kasi mga tawag ko sa kanya. Sisi, thank you so much and Sir William ng buhay ko for collaborating with me. I really had fun. This is my first ever makeup tutorial for this year. And I really love the result. And thank you so much for giving me an idea na gawin natin tong living coral makeup look na to. If you haven't subscribed yet here in my YouTube channel, mag-subscribe na kayo and please don't forget to hit that notification bell para ma-notify kayo sa mga future videos natin. Happy New Year, everyone! Thank you so much for watching this video and I hope to see you in the next one, you guys. Stay awesome and accomplish your mission! Bye!